Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about how to install Ruby language in Visual Studio Code or how we can debug Ruby in Visual Studio. So let's open Visual Studio Code and here first we need to go extension, and at this place you need to search or write Ruby. So when I written Ruby here, and there is one important thing, net must be connected. So at here Ruby language support. So first we need to select this one, and here we need to install this software Ruby for Visual Studio Code. And here after installing you need to install one more vscode Ruby. So this is at your syntax highlight snippet language configure support, and here this is all detail. Here you can see extension, provide improvement, syntax, all those things. Now after installing these two packages, now you can install other also like ruby robocop, and here ruby HTML, ruby on Rails. But I highly recommend you should install first Ruby and VS Code Ruby. After doing this, now here is the folder. Now here create a new file. So I'm just giving a test, and for Ruby we need to give the extension RB. Press enter. So there is a file, it's created with the name test. Now here we need to going to print at here hello world. So going to use puts function, and inside double quote going to write hello world. Now here control S, right click, and here you can find run code. Click on the run code. At here I'm getting the message, so Ruby is not recognize internal or external command. So what we need to do? So Ruby is already installed, but path is not setted. So here in setram, here this is Ruby and pin. Now you need to copy this location, and at this place open edit system environment. Here edit environment, at this place press path, here edit. Now hereafter new, paste, ok, 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 cancel, and hereafter let's close that and start once again. So since path has been setted, now again this is so since path has been setted, now right click and here run code. So at here Ruby test RB, it's running, and hello world, it's printing. Now here like this we can do any kind of modification. How are you? Control S. Now here right click run code. Hello world, how are you? It's displaying. So this is the simplest way we can run Ruby in Visual Studio Code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.